meet up for our first little group ride of the season here. Early May, that's not bad. Weather's been good, dry, relatively warm most days. Everything else in the world is screwed right now, but at least gas is cheap, right? Alright. Got ourselves a little group of 4 here. No hard plan on a destination, but we got a general direction to head in anyway, so good enough. Hamster mom. Okay. I hope that doesn't mean she eats her young. I'm assuming he's telling something to Vinny. Turn off the camera for a minute and miss all the wheelies. Seems like every 10 seconds I hear a big bug smacking into my helmet. Things you notice more with a new helmet, I guess. Hopefully the roads held together all right over the winter. So with all the nonsense going on this year, there isn't any crews out fixing them. Sure, we're going to have to be on the lookout for lots and lots of gravel. Watch out for the horse droppings through the turns. You just see Jake's rear tire kicking up fucking dirt. You wouldn't want to crash in that because that'd be some real horse shit. That a windmill I see back there? I do not remember seeing one of those around here before. Huh. That must be new, or newish. Or it could just be my usual horrible memory doing its thing. Minor change of plans, little change of direction here. Seems like the further north we head, the colder it gets, so we're going to spin it around and head south again, take a different route back. Luckily, there's a few different options for interesting roads around here. Cheap gas. That's about the only good thing going on right about now. Now, I think we have to turn off this road here. Wasn't that long ago this chip seal was fresh, but you only get so many years out of that, I guess. Well, we certainly made it pretty far without hitting traffic. It's always a fun feeling in fifth gear when you get the front end light on hills. Well, that's fun. It's funny, it's like, hey, we just got fuel, but hey, we've done 60 kilometers also. It's always funny, we basically just left the gas station, just fueled up, but here we are 60 kilometers in. That didn't take very long. Well, thanks for tagging along on this little early spring group ride we got going here. If you're still hanging in there at this point, might as well go ahead and subscribe to the channel, all that good stuff. Hopefully this good weather holds out. You can come back and check out the next one.